The digital marketing strategy for new business is similar to the traditional marketing approach in a few ways. However, there are some important differences that you need to be aware of if you want your digital marketing strategy for a new business to be successful. In this video, we'll cover those key differences so you can make the most of them. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about digital marketing strategy for new business. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. The first thing you'll want to do as part of your digital marketing strategy for new business is research and analyze your competition. In other words, find out what their strengths and weaknesses are. What services or products do they offer that yours does not? What strategies do they employ to attract customers? What are their overall costs and ROI? Do any of these factors match what you are looking for in a digital marketing strategy for a new business? Once you've done your research into your competition, you can start to develop your digital marketing strategy for new business. What are your specific strengths? What are your customers' strengths? What is your target market? What will bring customers to your site? All of these areas need to be addressed when you are developing your digital marketing strategy for a new business. Once you have done your research into your competition, it is time to start developing a digital marketing strategy for new business. There are a number of different ways you can go about developing a digital marketing strategy for a new business. One way is to stay away from the traditional marketing methods that you have used in the past. Instead, you can focus more on digital marketing through the use of social media platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. You can also use email as a digital marketing tool. This is particularly helpful for those who are just getting started with their business. It allows them to get the word out about their product quickly. Instead of spending money on expensive forms of advertising, a digital marketing strategy for a new business can help you to reach a large number of people quickly and inexpensively. As an added bonus, this strategy helps to build relationships with your potential clients. While the traditional forms of advertising are still effective for a digital marketing strategy for new business, they may not be as successful for your business. Instead of spending a great deal of money on television spots or radio ads, you can focus on digital marketing that targets potential customers. For example, if you are a dog trainer, you can post video clips of yourself working with your dogs. Your clients can view these videos online at their leisure. The videos may also be distributed to YouTube and other social media sites where a great number of people will see them. Instead of handing your business off to someone else, you can work on digital marketing yourself. You will be able to stay focused on providing your clients with a high level of customer service. You will know exactly when your next client needs you and will be available to them whenever they need you. This reduces the chances that your potential clients will miss appointments or other important dates. This digital marketing for your business is actually good for you because it gives you more time to do what is important to your business. These are just some of the ways that you can use a digital marketing strategy for new business. By putting together a plan for digital marketing, you can be sure that you will be able to successfully make your business grow. If you have never considered digital marketing, check out the resources available from the author below. Thanks for watching my video about digital marketing strategy for new business. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.